if I can tell you that you can build an game without having any coding knowledge? So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can build an actual game without having any coding language. So in this video we will be using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, a base language, so that ChatGPT can build that code in this language. So please be tuned till the last. We will be building how to build a actual game, so that we can learn artificial intelligence very smartly. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, for generating the code we will be using ChatGPT. It's a good tool for generating the code. So let's start. So we would be asking ChatGPT itself, like, please suggest me the easiest games to build using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's start. So guys, this ChatGPT has given us code. Let's check what is the code and what it has been created. So to check that, we will be using CodePen. So CodePen is a good tool for checking the code, how it is working. So we will be launching the CodePen. Also, I'll be giving this link in the description, so don't worry guys. So let's check guys. So it is a HTML code. Copy the HTML code and paste here in the HTML part, and go to the ChatGPT again and copy the CSS code. Go to CodePen and paste in the CSS part, and go to the JavaScript code part and copy that and paste into the JavaScript. Yes, so it has generated the game. So let's just test this. Enter number 1 to 100. So let's enter 40. Submit guess. Too high. Try again. So we have to enter a small number. Let's enter 25. Submit guess. Too high. Try again. Too high. It is telling low. Okay. 12. Submit guess. Again it is telling too high. Let's enter 5. Too low. Okay. Now it is telling too low. Let's enter 8. It is telling too high. Okay. Let's enter 6. It would be the number, I think. Too low. The number is 7, I think. Yeah, it is given. Congratulations, you guessed the number 7 in 9 attempts. So we have taken 9 attempts to guess the number. So this is the one of the game guys. So you can build number of games using ChatGPT. It depends upon your thinking ability guys. So you can give any of the prompt to the ChatGPT. It will definitely give you a code, and using that code you can test the games, build the games. So there are number of opportunities guys, but the thing is you have to think well and give the prompt to the ChatGPT. According to that, it will give you the code. Yes guys, so we have created a game which is guess the number. Yes, to build an Android app, we would be saying firstly we'll be saving this code into our PC. So let's do that. So for that we will be creating a new folder into any of the location. So let's create a new folder here. Let's name it as the number. So we have given it as a name. So open that folder. So now we will be pasting this the generated code into this folder. So let's do that. To do that, we will be creating a new text file guys. Start. So copy the HTML code, the whole code. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, open the document and paste it here, and name it as index.html, and here make it as all files, then only it will work. Save. So here we have done this. Now we have to create already generated code. Now we have to create a CSS file. So again, create a new text file, name it as, let's copy the code. open the document, paste the code, and name it as style.cs. Guys, make sure that you are naming the code what it is written in the HTML code. So here it is written as style.css, styles.css. So make sure that you will be saving the same name. So please make sure that save the same name, then only the file will work properly when you will be building an Android app. So let's copy and paste, and here select all files and click on the save button. So we have done with the CSS. Now let's jump to the JavaScript. So here it is written as script.js. Let's first copy the code. So we have copied the code. Again here paste the code. Use the same name what it is written in HTML. So it is written as script.js. File, save as. Yes, and make sure that you will be selecting all files, then only it will work. Save. So guys, we have done all the things, the HTML, CSS and the JavaScript part, as you can see, and delete this file which is not necessary. So guys, to work so we have to upload this game into the server. So to work this, we have to make it as a zip file. So right click on the folder and click on compress to zip file. Now it will create a zip file, as you can see here. There's the number. So guys, to host this game, we would be using a free tool which would be using to host these games. So guys, to build an Android app, we will be using Webinto app tool. So click on the new, create a new, and paste the same link which I have taken from tiny.host. Copy the link and paste here, and give your details, guys. Major version 1, company name. You can give anything. I will give right. Okay, click on the next button. And you can set an icon also, guys. For setting an icon, click on the set icon. So for this, I will not be using this one. So to build an app, click on make an app. So it will take some time. Let's wait. So give the app category, guys, and games, and give any of the description. So for the app, click on the apps, my apps. Here we'll be getting this, your app. To download the file, click on here and click on download the free app. Click on zip file app. As you can see, our file has been downloaded. So let's wait for download. Okay. So it has been downloaded. As you can see, our app is ready here. Here you can see all the folders. Yes. So to install this app into Android device, guys, so click on the app, right click on the app, and click on to extract all. So it will extract all the files from the zip file to a normal file. To download into Android, click on the Android, and here you'll be seeing app release.apk. So send this file into a mobile, and from there you can install into a mobile. From there it will be asking install from unknown sources, so check that box and you can easily install into your mobile. E-commerce app, any of the games. So there are numerous things to build an app, so depends upon your thinking capacity how you can utilize this AI technology and you can use this into the app. I'm not telling that you would not be learning any of the coding language. You can learn, guys, but AI making our things better. Parallelly, you can use the AI tools as well as your knowledge what you have. So this was the quick video how to build an game using ChatGPT, AI and all other tools, the free tools. So if you like this video, please support us with clicking on the subscribe button. So I will be making good videos like the same. Also, please like and share to your friends so that they will also get the knowledge. So bye guys, we'll meet into a next video.